All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to add multiple outlines to whatever it is you want, text, a shape, both actually. So I'm going to show you the editable way to leave this text so you can type still. So I'm going to add a stroke here. By the way, you just click here and then your fill, your stroke, just in case you don't know that. And those color and your stroke you're going to want are both accessible here in the window. And make sure you have your little flyout on the stroke uh, showing options. See that? Now I added the stroke. I'm going to make it up to like 3, let's say, and quickly copy, paste, and back. Now there's another one back there now, so it's kind of funny. Can't see it, but so we're going to change the, we're going to make this red, and now we're going to up that one. See, it's back there. Now I'm going to hit copy, paste, and back. And there's another thing though I got to show you, so don't bounce yet. Um, I'm going to change the color here. Where is that? Okay, and now let's increase. So you can see, you get the gist of that. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to copy this first guy over here and show you something else. If you want the text to be just on the outside, I'm sorry, the outline. Right now it's kind of in the middle, so you have to go up here and type, create outlines. And now you can align the stroke to the outside. See this stroke alignment? So watch what happens. See now the letter didn't get any green inside. Now I'm going to do the copy, paste and back, and repeat. So make that red or whatever and increase. So that's just a different way to do it because now all the stroke is outside of the letter itself. You can see how the stroke kind of came into the letter here and out there. So that's about that. Um, anyways, hope that helped. Leave me a like and a comment if it did. Thanks.